Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your data with Backblaze, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your data with Backblaze, first, visit the Backblaze website. Log into your Backblaze account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the recovery section found in the main menu. You will see multiple recovery options available for your data. Choose the most suitable recovery option for your needs. For individual files, select Restore Files. For a complete restoration, select Restore a complete backup. If you have chosen Restore Files, you will now see a list of your backed up files. Locate the files you wish to recover by browsing through the folders or using the search bar. Once you find the files, select them by clicking the checkbox next to each file. After selecting the desired files, click the Continue button. You will be presented with options for your file recovery method. You can choose to have your files restored via email as a downloadable link. Alternatively, you can opt to receive your files on a USB flash drive or external hard drive. If selecting the USB or external drive, ensure to provide your shipping address. Review your selections and confirm everything is correct. Next, proceed to the payment page if applicable. After completing your payment, you'll receive a confirmation email detailing your recovery order. For email downloads, monitor your inbox for the email link to access your recovered files. If you chose the physical drive option, await its arrival as per the shipping time provided. Once you receive your files, check to ensure all your desired data is intact. If you encounter any issues, contact Backblaze customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.